How to insert a calendar in Excel. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with some easiest ways that we can follow up in order to do so, depending upon what you need. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start by directly opening up Excel. So open up the Excel application on your device first. And from here, if you have to open one of the document, you can go to the file option in the top left, select it. Select the option of new. And here we can directly search for calendar like this and hit search. When we do, it will give us template. So we can choose a template here, monthly, yearly, a planner, etc. You can choose one of those and go ahead and click on this option called create. And what it will do is Excel will give us a ready-made calendar that we can edit. And we can insert drop-down calendar as well. So for that, what we can do is we can select up a cell and go to data option in the top. Look out for data validation. Select it, and under allow, select the option for date and click on the option of allow. You can choose the data between the start date and the end date and click on OK, and that way you can create a calendar that should restrict input to data but does not show up a pop-up calendar. Also, we can use developer tools. If not this, go to file option in the top left, go to options here, more options, and look out for the option called customize ribbon. And here you can enable the developer option, this one right here. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the option called OK. And go to developer option here. So you can go ahead and look out for developer. And once we've done that, go to insert. Within developer, go to insert and look out for more tab. This one right here. And here, choose Microsoft Date and Time Picker Control. If you find that option for more apart from these, you can choose that option and go ahead and draw it on the sheet. And that should create a clickable calendar. And also we can use Excel add-ins. Go to the insert option in the top. Once we are here, we can go to the option for add-ins. So look out for add-ins option, get add-ins. And there also, we can look out for mini calendar or date picker. So go ahead and search for mini calendar and go ahead and hit enter. After that, we have this option. We can click on add and install it and use it. And that's it. And templates are best for planning and printing. Add-ins are best for interactive date selection, and developer option may not be available on all the systems. But usually this is how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.